Discover the ultimate list of the 13 coolest gadgets for men that blend innovation, functionality, and style seamlessly. From cutting-edge tech to timeless accessories, these items are must-haves for the modern man. 13. Helian Flip Knife. The Helian Flip Knife is a sleek, high-performance folding knife designed for everyday carry and tactical use. Featuring a durable stainless steel blade, it offers exceptional sharpness and edge retention. The knife's ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip, while its reliable flip mechanism allows for quick, smooth deployment. Its compact design and lightweight construction make it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts, professionals, and knife collectors alike, blending functionality with modern aesthetics in a versatile tool. 12. Multitool Pen 10-in-1. The Multitool Pen 10-in-1 is a versatile and compact gadget perfect for men everyday carry. It combines multiple tools into one sleek design, including a ballpoint pen, ruler, spirit level, flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, stylus, bottle opener, file, and mini saw. Made for convenience, it's ideal for quick fixes, measurements, and other tasks, making it a practical choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its lightweight and portable nature ensures you're always prepared. 11. GPCA Carabiner. The GPCA Carabiner is a versatile, multifunctional tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday carry. Made from high-strength materials like aerospace-grade aluminum, it combines several features into one compact unit, including a knife, screwdriver, and bottle opener. Its ergonomic design ensures ease of use, while its robust construction guarantees durability. Whether for hiking, camping, or daily tasks, the GPCA Carabiner offers convenience and reliability, making it an essential item for adventurers and practical users alike. 10. LED Flashlight Gloves. LED flashlight gloves are innovative wearable devices that combine gloves with built-in LED lights. Ideal for tasks requiring both hands and illumination, these gloves feature strategically placed lights on the fingertips, providing bright, focused beams. They are perfect for mechanics, electricians, and outdoor enthusiasts, enhancing visibility in dark or tight spaces. With adjustable straps for a secure fit and durable, water-resistant materials, LED flashlight gloves are practical, versatile tools that improve efficiency and safety in various activities. 9. Klein Tools 55895 Magnetic Wristband. The Klein Tools 55895 Magnetic Wristband is a practical accessory for tradespeople. Featuring a powerful magnetic surface, it securely holds small metal tools, screws, and nails, ensuring easy access and reducing the risk of loss. Its adjustable strap ensures a comfortable fit for any wrist size, while the breathable mesh interior enhances comfort during prolonged use. Durable and reliable, this wristband is designed to improve efficiency and convenience on the job site, making it an essential tool for professionals. 8. Teslier Wood Phone Docking Station. The Teslier Wood Phone Docking Station is a stylish and practical accessory for organizing personal items. Made from high-quality wood, it features a dedicated space for charging phones, holding watches, keys, and other essentials. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into any decor, making it ideal for home or office use. The docking station's thoughtful layout ensures that all items are easily accessible, helping to keep your workspace tidy and efficient. It's a perfect blend of elegance and functionality. 7. Rack Magnetic Wristband. https://www.amazon.com/magnetic-tool-bracelet-men/dp/b01HRCU3SW. The Rack Magnetic Wristband is a practical tool designed for handymen, mechanics, and DIY enthusiasts. It features strong magnets embedded in the wristband, allowing users to keep screws, nails, bolts, and small tools within easy reach while working. This hands-free convenience enhances efficiency and reduces the frustration of constantly searching for small parts. The wristband is adjustable and made from durable, breathable materials, ensuring comfort during prolonged use. Ideal for a wide range of repair and construction tasks, it's a handy addition to any toolkit. 6. UST Tool Along Multitool. The UST Tool Along Multitool is a compact, versatile companion for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. This multi-tool features essential functions including pliers, knives, screwdrivers, and more, all housed in a durable, lightweight design. Its foldable nature allows for easy storage and portability, making it ideal for camping, hiking, or everyday tasks. With its sturdy construction and user-friendly features, the Tool Along is perfect for anyone needing reliable tools on the go, ensuring you're always ready for any challenge that arises. 5. Callaway 4-in-1 Golf Divot Repair Tool. The Callaway 4-in-1 Golf Divot Repair Tool is an essential accessory for any golfer. This versatile tool features a divot repair fork, a ball marker, a tee holder, and a removable ball marker, all in one compact design. Crafted from durable materials, it ensures longevity and reliable performance on the course. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to repair greens, and maintain course etiquette. With the Callaway 4-in-1, you'll be well equipped for your next round of golf. 4. Bike Multitool. A bike multi-tool is an essential compact device for cyclists, combining various tools into one portable package, typically including Allen keys, screwdrivers, tire levers, and sometimes chain tools. It is designed to handle common roadside repairs and adjustments. Its small size and lightweight nature make it easy to carry, ensuring cyclists are prepared for mechanical issues on the go. Durable and versatile, a bike multi-tool is indispensable for maintaining performance and safety during rides. 3. Magnetic Flashlight Pickup Tool. The Magnetic Flashlight Pickup Tool is the perfect stocking stuffer for men who appreciate practical gifts. Compact and versatile, this handy tool features a powerful magnetic tip, allowing users to retrieve lost metal items in hard-to-reach places. Its bright LED flashlight ensures visibility in dark spaces, making it ideal for home repairs or emergency situations. Lightweight and easy to carry, this tool combines functionality with convenience, making it a thoughtful addition to any holiday stocking. 2. AGM Mini Exercise Bike. The AGM Mini Exercise Bike is a versatile underdesk pedal exerciser, perfect for enhancing your fitness routine at home or in the office. This compact foot cycle allows you to engage both your arms and legs, promoting cardiovascular health while multitasking. Equipped with an LCD screen, it displays essential metrics such as time, distance, calories burned, and RPM, helping you track your progress effectively. Its adjustable resistance levels cater to users of all fitness levels, making it ideal for rehabilitation or general exercise. The lightweight design ensures easy portability, allowing you to work out anywhere. With its silent operation, you can pedal away without disturbing others, making it a perfect addition to any workspace or living area. 1. Casio CA53W Vintage Series. The Casio CA53W Vintage Series is an iconic digital watch that combines retro aesthetics with practical functionality. Launched in the 1980s, this compact timepiece features a classic square design with a resin case and a simple LCD display. Notably, it includes a built-in calculator, making it a favorite among fans of vintage technology. The watch also offers essential features like dual time zones, alarm settings, and water resistance. With its lightweight construction and enduring battery life, the CA53W remains a popular choice for those seeking a blend of nostalgia and everyday utility in a stylish accessory. Let us know which one was your favorite. Thanks for watching.